In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Gmail account to your computer. This is a quick and simple process that will make managing multiple accounts much easier, whether for work or personal use. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a circular profile icon. If this is your first time, it may just be a generic avatar. If not, it could be your personal profile picture. Click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing your current accounts. Here, you'll see an option labeled Add Account. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can sign in with another Gmail account. Quick tip, if you manage multiple accounts, it's helpful to use different profile images for each, so you can easily tell them apart. Now, on the sign-in page, enter the email address of the account you want to add. Make sure there are no typos, then click Next. You'll be prompted to enter the password for this account. Double check it, and if you've forgotten it, there's an option to recover or reset your password. Google will guide you through the verification process if needed. Once you enter the correct password, you'll be logged in immediately. Congratulations, your new Gmail account is now added to your computer. Here's an important tip. If you're using a shared or public computer, take a moment to review your security settings. Make sure your recovery email is updated and consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra security. Now, you can easily switch between accounts by clicking your profile icon. This makes managing work and personal emails much more efficient. Remember to periodically check your account settings and keep your information up to date. This will save you time and prevent potential login issues in the future. And that's it. Adding a Gmail account to your computer is quick and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy emailing!